Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a popping chat effect in CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to add the background and then go to tags, write your tags, and then here swipe until you find a bubble. Now you can select the one you want. I'm going to select this one right here. You can change the font if you want. You can also change the style, like the color or the style. Okay, so to have the popping effect, what you need to do is add 3 keyframes at the start of the text like this, and then on the first one make the bubble small, so make it small like this, and on the second one you can just adjust the size like this. So when it's done, it will go like that, so it will have a popping effect. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.